Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sam Lisa, and I'm back again with another video. Well, I look like an egg. I actually look like an egg. I'm just gonna install this wig and get it popping. Okay. But let's get right into the video. Just don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Anyway, so this wig is from, it's not a new wig, it's an oldie. So this wig is from Virgo Hair. I got it like, when did I get it? Black Friday. Yeah, that was in November. I got this wig in November. And this is it's looking a bit rough right now, but don't worry about it. Just have to define the curls and everything. It is 22 inches long, and this is the lace. Like, it's already brown because it didn't come this. It came brown, but wasn't this brown. Do you know what I mean? It's just like loads of foundation. This is it compared to my skin. Well, I'm gonna be using glue bond to bond it onto my head because
we want no wigs taken off, okay? We don't want someone putting off our wigs. They need to be secured, as I said before. There was a video on how my wigs are put up in palm. The link will be down below over here.
Oh my god, the struggle I went through to do this voiceover is a lot. Like, oh my gosh. Anyways, now I'm just gonna use like those clips to try and bring the hair right back so that I don't like stick the hair down, because I've done that before and it's a mess. Okay, wow. After that, I'm just gonna like pull the lace forward and see where I want to glue it down. Guys, don't mind the bald spot, okay? Just ignore it. Okay, we know how to fix it. We'll fix that later. But I'm taking a black pencil to just like outline where the lace ends, and so I know where I can put the glue down. Because you don't want too much glue like on your forehead thingy. Okay, so now I'm gonna put little dots all around my forehead slash hairline place, like the region where I'm supposed to glue it. And I'm just gonna get like, I'm using a tweezer, like a metal tweezer. You just want to make sure that the thing I'm using is clean and has no oil on it, because like you don't want that. Okay, so on the sides of my head I do 2 layers. So this is the second layer that I'm putting on, and you first want to make sure that the first layer is completely dry before you put on the second layer, or else it's going to be quite sticky. So you can also use a blow dryer on a cool setting to just dry it up a little bit faster. And you also want to make sure that you feel it, because it's only ready to glue when it's tacky. So when it comes to gluing it down, you want to make sure your hands have no oil on it. Like your face should also have no oil on it, because as I said before, if like the glue interacts with oil or water, it will just like slip off, and you definitely don't want that. So I just use a comb to just try and like stick it down, and I also use my fingers a little bit, but I try not to do that a lot because also your fingers can sweat. So I'm doing exactly the same thing on the middle section, and I'm only gonna be doing one layer because like I don't need to do two at the front. So I like my lace is already cut into 3 sections because it just makes it so much easier to glue it down. You can also but I think 3 sections are best. Like it just makes it so much easier to just glue it down.
It's payday, fellas! I said it's fucking payday, motherfucker!
So after I finish gluing all the 3 slits or sections down, I just go around the hairline and just like see if there are any flaps of the lace that weren't really glued down. I use the black got to be glued because like compared to the yellow one, because I don't want any residue, like any white residue, and I use the gel rather than the spray because obviously the spray is liquid and I don't want anything to be lifting up. So just like put a little on my fingers and then a little bit underneath the lace and just get it stuck down. So now I'm just taking a wet wipe and just like removing that black pencil that I put around the hairline, and I'm also removing like any excess glue. So the next thing I do is just take a silk like a wrap type of thing and I just put it on, and that basically just melts the lace on a different level. So now I'm just gonna be combing out the curls using a comb. Like it's best to use a wide tooth comb, but I don't have a wide tooth comb, so I'm just like combing everything out.
It's payday, fellas! I said it's fucking payday, motherfucker!
So right here I'm just spraying my hair. In the bottle is just water with some conditioner. Like the water will just help it curl and the conditioner will just help the hair stay soft. And like also as I mentioned like on the screen, after like when the hair is like drenched, okay, maybe not drenched but like wet, I just put that spray on top, so like when the hair dries up the curls remain soft rather than crispy. So I also like to comb the curls out because it just looks bad.
It's payday, fellas!
So right here I'm just using some mousse to like do my baby hairs. Guys, I beg you, yeah, please don't cuss out the way I do my baby hairs. Like doing baby hairs on like a wig is kind of difficult. Like you have to kind of know how to do it, so just don't hate, just watch it and just let it go on. Okay, so right now I'm using my Virgo Hair, I think that's what it's called, and it's a wax stick, and this just makes everything slick. When I say slick, it is slick. And I also comb it. There's a comb, like it's a small tooth comb to just comb it back, cause like child.
It's payday, fellas!
And I'm gonna take the same silk thingy to just lay everything down. You heard? Down. Finally, guys, I'm gonna cover up the bald spot now, but first I'm just using like eyeshadow that's the same skin color as me to just make the parting. And I'm just gonna take a black eyeshadow palette, well, eyeshadow color, to just fill in the bald spot. Okay, I know it's been annoying, but I told you we could fix it, huh? So I have slept in this hair and I wear it quite often. I have 3 wigs that I interchange. I would wear the wig for like 2 weeks and then I change it to the next one, and then another 2 weeks and then change it. Like 3 weeks. No, but I think it's 2 weeks. 2-3-ish weeks. And then that's when I change it up. But this hair is still soft to this day, even though like I wear it every time, and then I sleep in it as well. Like it's still fine. Obviously shedding, there's obviously shedding, not a lot of shedding. There's only shedding when like you are brushing it out, like it's wet and then you're literally combing it out. I don't have a very wide tooth comb, so maybe that's the reason, but this is the widest tooth comb that I have, so maybe that is the reason. I need to blend this in more. Oh, this video is not sponsored in any shape or form. I bought this hair with my own monies on Black Friday, as I said, but I will leave the link of the hair if you want to get it down below. I got it on Aliexpress and it's Virgo Hair. Anything else? No. Alright, uses, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my social media. My Instagram is gonna be right here, and then my Snapchat is gonna be right here. So yep, don't forget to do all of that, and see you guys in my next video. Deuces.